Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. It is day 7 of my advent calendar. As you guys know, if you guys have seen my videos, I got my Joe and Steph's popcorn advent calendar. I keep saying Steph's. It's Steph's, S-E-P-H. But this is the gourmet popcorn one that I got yesterday the other day in the mail. And then I have the 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea and the 24 Days of Beauty by Belle. I will be sure to link the playlist above so you guys can go check out all the other days this far so you guys can see what I've been getting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. But without further ado, we're going to start with the beauty calendar today. It's day 7. So it's this one right here. And like I said before, I had to put it in my lap because these are kind of hard to open. Oh, these are so cute. I have a set of now 4 different tweezers. Again, like I've said it before, I was expecting more makeup in this calendar, but I'm also not mad about the fact I'm getting like cute little travel sized items that I can easily bring with me to different places. So that's pretty exciting. Okay. So that's day 7 now. So here's the Joe and Steph's popcorn or gourmet popcorn advent calendar. This is what it looks like when you opened it up. And since I only got this one on day 6 of my series, I will be trying out today day 2, which is the double chocolate popcorn, and then day 7, which if you open it up and take it out, it is the banoffee pie. And the banoffee pie has banana, caramel, and double cream. I don't know if I've said this yesterday, but on the back it lists all of the different items, similar to how the David's Tea one is. So yeah, it gives you all the information. So let's try these out. I'll start with the double chocolate, which is day 2. Ooh, these smell really good. Alright. These are good. Sorry, my jaw popped. So I'd definitely say that these aren't as good as the 2 that I had yesterday. So I probably would honestly give this a 6. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of chocolate on popcorn. It's not my least favorite thing. I just prefer like caramel or white chocolate. I don't like the milk chocolate, or I don't like how chocolatey this is. It's still good, but definitely not my favorite. Alright, so now we're going to try the banoffee pie, which like I said, is banana, caramel, and double cream. It kind of looks like the one from yesterday. Oh, that's really banana-y. Wow. That's really good. If you like bananas or if you don't like bananas, you will not like this. Wow. That tastes like a banana pudding. Wow. I give this like an 8. I want a bucket of this, dang. This one is really good. Alright, let's get on to the next calendar. Day 7 of the 24 Days of Tea. Like I've said before, all the different types of tea are on the back, and then this is what the inside looks like. So we are looking for day number 7, which is this one right here. So, ooh, this one looks cool on the inside. This is what it looks like. It is called the Vanilla Cappuccino. The problem is these aren't in order. Vanilla Cappuccino is a black tea, It has low caffeine. The ingredients are apple black tea, rose hips, candied pineapple, coffee beans, natural coffee flavoring with stevia extract, and then artificial cream and vanilla flavoring. It's also kosher. I will put in a link of me trying it now, but I'm really excited to try this one out. I think I'm going to like this one. Alright, so with me I have the vanilla cappuccino tea. That sounds so weird to say. It smells really good. It smells actually kind of like a vanilla cappuccino. It smells really sweet, so let's try it out. This is good. It's kind of boring. It tastes kind of sweet. It's not overly sweet like I was expecting it to be, because it kind of smells a little sweet, like more sweeter than what I was expecting. But it doesn't taste as sweet. I give this like, I'd say a 7.5. It's pretty good, not the best. It's better than yesterday's. But I'm not really getting like a vanilla cappuccino taste from it. And maybe that's just because I like my vanilla cappuccinos to be vanilla cappuccinos and not tea, but it's not bad. But yeah. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will see you guys tomorrow with another daily update, but until then, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Get outside, get some sun. If you're in a place where it's cold, still go for like a walk with a jacket on or something. Like, just get some fresh air, since we're all probably needing a little bit of that right now. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another opening. But I love you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, even though I've said that like 4 times. Bye.